Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the new box. This is a special package sent by Tecno, and as we know that Tecno is sponsoring the Punjab 11, which is a IPL team, and we will check it out. Actually, the box is very big and definitely I think there is a smartphone. It may be a special edition or something like that, but we are going to unbox this and check it out what is inside the box. So I'm just taking out the wrapper right now and pulling it out and sliding the box. It has a different kind of casing, so it is written hashtag Camon Kings 11, and in the box we are getting a cap. Here you can see, so here is a t-shirt in the box which comes with the Tecno branding and Punjab 11's brand logo on it. The cap also got the Tecno branding on it. As far as the device is concerned, this is kind of a special edition. The name is Tecno Camon I Sky, so name is little bit confusing, but skipping that part, the device we are going to unbox is, as far as the specs are concerned, you can pause it right now and check it. I will go through the specs here. It comes with the 8 megapixel front, 13 megapixel at the back, and 5.45 inch, which is a full view display. It has 16 GB internal storage, 2 GB of RAM. It supports 4G VoLTE. Face ID is there. It is running on Android 8.1, and it also has a fingerprint sensor at the back. And as far as the processor is concerned, the processor is 1.2 gigahertz quad core processor, and the resolution of the display is 480 into 960, and the battery size is 3050. So the battery is really a big one. As far as the camera is concerned, 13 and 8 megapixel looks good. The device looks pretty light in weight right now, and let it boot. And inside the box what we are getting, we will check it also. So in the box we are getting a silicone case in which there is also a warranty card, there is also user manual, and skipping that part, you can see the texture of the quality of back cover is good. And taking out the other things, so here we get a SIM card ejector tool, and other than that there is also a charger. You can pause it right now and check out the power ampere of the charger. It comes with a micro USB charging cable. Other than this cable, there is also the earphone plug, so that is one more good thing, because a few of the Chinese companies skip the earphones. So this is the earphone what it is coming inside the box. Now we will go and check out the device inside. The device looks pretty good here, and here you can see the front camera with LED flash. On the side you are getting a power button, the volume rocker key. At the back you are getting a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. There is a fingerprint sensor. This is in the gold color. There are speaker grills at the bottom. There is also micro USB charging slot, noise cancellation mic, hybrid SIM card slot, and in the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack. We will check here the Face ID, how it works, how fast it is. So right now you can see I am working on the Face ID right now, and it works fine. There is a camera in the middle, so it is not the distance is little bit more, but it works fine. I haven't checked in for a low light situation. It comes with the High OS, which is its own OS of Tecno, and inside that, as far as the apps are concerned, it comes with a very limited of apps. And now we will go and check the battery. I have already told that it comes with a 3050 milliampere battery. As far as the storage is concerned, it comes with a 16 GB of internal storage, 2 GB of RAM. It runs on the Android 8.1, which is the Oreo. The latest update I have checked that it is in the February patch, so they are definitely not too late. As far as you can see here, the specs are also given here. You can go through the specs and check it out. And language and input, you can change the language if you want anything else. But the phone feels like it is a 5-inch or a 4.5 inch. I will say 4.7 inch is the exact size what I will say while using it. The feel tells like that. The brand Tecno has launched few mobiles lastly, but this phone is specially, I guess, for the IPL. It comes with this quick menu where you can have the music gesture, the flip mute, and also they take the screenshot with 3 fingers. These are the few features what you are getting with the High OS. And after that, in the smartphone, there are some features regarding the High theme, the feedback. There is a customer care service, weather app. These are the preloaded apps what are coming inside the phone. And other than that, there are some Google apps and few more things, but definitely no bloatware, no games app, nothing like that. There are some social media apps which you can uninstall if you want to. And here you can see it is a widget, so you can change the widget also according to you. I have tried and tested the fingerprint sensor. It works here. Here you can see, you can register the face ID. The face ID works very smoothly here. It doesn't have any hiccup or issue in while opening. I haven't tested in the low light scenario, but overall it works well enough. Now going to the camera, which is one of the important features. So in the camera you are getting the video mode, normal mode, beauty mode, panorama mode. These are the basic mode what you are getting. In the top you are getting a flash mode, and also the screen ratio can be changed to 4:3 or 16:9 or 1:1 or 18 is to 9. So the display is definitely 18 is to 9, which I will forget if I don't tell you. But other than that, in the front camera there is also a portrait mode which you can take, and it also supports the HDR to take around. There is a video mode. I haven't tested the video yet, but I guess it can record up to full HD. I'm not sure about that. Yes, it can record up to full HD. Here you can see, and other than that, we will also check the camera samples. So the camera samples are the initial samples what I have taken. So this is the normal mode what I have taken, the selfie. It is a 8 megapixel camera. Now going to the selfies, here you can see this is the portrait mode, this is the normal mode. So in the normal mode, the tripod and the camera mounted can be seen very easily, where there is a blur little bit. And going to this, in the daylight situation, the rear camera works out well. In the panorama, there is some of the editing inside the software while going into the picture. You can try and edit that also, but I'm skipping that part. The whole package of this Tecno Camon Ice Sky comes for 7,499. Don't expect that whole big box. It will be only with the smartphone box. The whole package gives you Android 8.1.0, the full view experience in less than 8,000, and it comes with like a metallic finish at the back. So it has a fingerprint sensor, face unlock. This is all about the device. This at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.